You got that from me. You got that from me.
He's pissing me off already.
Just saying. You know, she wanted to be with me, and then she wanted to be me.
I don't know. Hello.
It's kind of windy at the beach.
Yeah. I stand and it hurts, but it's okay.
Sometimes you gotta
I think
bleed
so. But we made it. Got the sheet all set up.
but it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive. She's the tear in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. Songs on the radio are okay.
Hey vlog, we just moved spots because over there is way too windy.
Music is your face.
This was Bella's and Tessa's and Carly's idea. Credits to them, they literally are. So yeah. They just brought this, I don't know what the, brought a limo apparently. Yeah, literally. Right? He is ready to go. Look at him warming up. We need a second. Asshole to vlog. Oh, it's zoomed in. Specifically Dylan. Where?
Alright, don't let's see it.
Oh shoot! Your turn, Gabe.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's hard to land. I don't want to do it. I don't
Caleb, no.
But it's definitely not scary.
Good job, Gabe. So, that's all. Kenzie's singing. We're all grown now. Oh.
So are you filming right now? Bella and I just took that W. Big fat W.
Sharpie, who has a marker of any sort? Do you have a marker? We need to write the names of our spike ball. This one is Ralph. And that one is Rhonda. Wait, make me explode. And can I disappear?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
This is our campsite.
I love your mom. I love being a good boy.
Huh?
Huh?
This is a wrap, but I'm not opening that. Okay, want ranch?
It's up. Sandwich reveal.
Looks blessed, actually.
Look at my sandwich.
Yummy. The boys are digging a hole. There's their hole. My wrap.
Caleb pepper.
Did you try
That guy just good pineapple.
And I have my dried fruit.
I know, you're not talking.
He just called me fat.
What book are you reading?
Broken Play.
What?
Broken Play.
Is this a sports book or a musical?
It's a football romance.
Okay, that makes sense. Is he dead?
Right there. I'm tired of those kids.
A sandwich. Because it's sand.
I fear to get it.
Why is that so high?
You're in so much trouble.
I thought Dylan was really tan, but he's just covered in sand.
I believe I can fly.
Are you going in? like Baywatch. Ow, my finger. Are you vlogging?
My toes are cold. Yeah.
Just a little hard.
We just played a bunch of spike ball. Now I'm sitting under the umbrella because I'm burning. Izzy's eating.
That's actually so funny. I wish somebody had a video. Hey. Me too.
We just played more spike ball. She just went in the water.
Getting a booger out of my nose.
That's disgusting. We just played spike ball. They went to the water.
I'm eating Caleb's honey mustard pretzels and they're so good.
Yeah, they're my favorite.
I did my nails today.
Very nice.
Show them the sunburn.
Oh, what the? I don't even know.
What is he doing? Swimming? By himself. But where's Izzy?
She's probably. We're eating Cheez-Its and popcorn.
Hello, vlog. I'm currently burying them under the deck thingy.
Hi, vlog.
Hey.
Nothing freaky.
Burying people with Aiden.
Yeah. Aiden, do you want to do this thing with me?
What am I doing?
Let's go on the seesaw.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
It seems to be. What? It's alter. Take it on. Hello. What?
That's my bad.
Hey, I forgot to tell you, I have a bungle now.
Maybe.
We're trekking through this burning hot sand.
Trek. You look so aesthetic.
Take a picture of Aiden and I.
Yeah.
This reminds me of.
I'm not going to either.
Better Dangan, but
That's such a sad realization.
I went all the way over.
How did you fall?
I didn't.
Oh. We're going to run down the dune. Ready?
Are we all doing it, or just you?
Ready?
don't think that was rim. I don't think that was rim.
It is on. Good. Yes. He just wiped out everybody. But he redeemed himself. Your head, I swear. Woo.
We are picking up.
Golly. I just put my hand in my shirt.
So guys, I wasn't expecting this much ice cream. Yes.
Is that the strawberry?
You guys are
Yeah.
hungry.
Nice.
Just like, oh no, actually, no, I'm so sick. No, it's a brownie. Guys, look at it.
It's small.
It was good. It's just fine.
Mine was. This is a single.
Oh my. Look at that. That is so good. What did you get last time? Strawberry shake. Oh, I actually.
I'm allergic to milk, guys. I'm allergic to milk. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna explode when I get home.
Why does yours have caramel on it?
Because I added caramel. Special request. Oh my god.
You're falling.
I was gonna catch it. Oh, that's like a.
I need water.
That's like a 10.
I have some.
It's not all people back.
Yeah.
Well, every group has to have 6 open facts.
Adios, amigos. My vlog. Hasta la vista, baby.